of the key points of this talk is don't think of AI in that way at all. So let's talk about how we imagine AI works. How do we imagine that AI works? And I think many people expected, this is the AI we were expected, that it would work something like this. We give a problem to the AI computes a solution to that problem, it figures out the answer, and then it gives us that answer. And one of the key points of this talk is don't think of AI in that way at all. That is not what's going on. So here is a classic problem. And this problem is the kind of problem that you might have come across in the back pages of a Sunday newspaper, and it's a simple intelligence test, basically. It's a puzzle that you need to solve. A farmer wants to cross a river and take with him a wolf, a goat, and a cabbage. The story doesn't explain why he wants a wolf to cross with him, but anyway. There's a boat that can fit himself and one other thing, but if the wolf is left alone with the goat, then the wolf will eat the goat. If the goat and the cabbage are left alone, then the goat will eat the cabbage. So how does he get them all across safely? If he can only take one at a time. Now, if I recall correctly, it takes the best answer you can do. You can do it, but it requires 7 steps. And the key point in the puzzle is you have to realize that you have to take something back with you at one point. Now, we use this and many other puzzles like this to introduce some basic concepts of what are called search, which is algorithmic intelligence. And the point is, it works like this. You give the problem to the AI computes a solution, and then it gives you the solution. These techniques, by the way, they are absolutely, the search techniques, the techniques that you would get there on week 2 of an AI course, they are absolutely fundamental. If you used a sat-nav today or Google Maps, or if you played a computer game like Scrabble or Sudoku or something like that, you were using search techniques in your problem. They are very, very fundamental. And it involves exhaustively searching through the space of opportunities, of possibilities, to find one that works and then presenting you with that. And you may have heard, for example, of AlphaGo, developed by DeepMind exactly 10 years ago, which famously beat a world champion Go player for the first time. Search is an absolutely core component of what they did. It really is. Those techniques that you would encounter on week 2 of an AI course.